Hello everybody, in this lesson I will help you with your June exam preparation. I will discuss question 12 of the 2021 paper. The CAPS document tells us that probability is around about 10% of your paper. Please don't forget about the grade 11 probability. And you will also find at the end of this video, I added the grade 11 and the grade 12 probability playlists for you. This is the question. Question 12.1 is the grade 11 probability and the second one is the grade 12 probability. Why don't you pause the video, quickly answer the question, and then you can use my explanation to mark your question. 12.1. A and B are independent events. It is further given that probability A and B is equal to 0,3 and P, probability only B, is 0,2. Are A and B mutually exclusive? Motivate your answer. And the answer is no, because probability A and B is not equal to 0. And that is worth 1 mark. Number 2 says we must determine the probability only A. Now I'm going to explain this using a Venn diagram. Now if you look at what was given, say for instance this is our Venn diagram, this is A and this is B. Then P, A and B is 0,3. That means that part over there is 0,3. And then P only B is 0,2. So that means that PB, the whole of B, is 0,5. If you say 0,3 plus 0,2 is 0,5. Then, now we can substitute into the formula. This formula is the formula for the multiplication for the independent events. And then the substitution. P, A and B was given that this is 0,3. P of A it's not P only A yet, it's just PA times, and then the 0,5 we decided next door there. And then we can solve the equation by dividing away the 0,5 and we find PA is 0,6. Now what does that mean? That means this whole part there of A is 0,6. But this 0,6 includes the 0,3. So P only A will be 0,3. Why? Because 0,3 plus 0,3 is 0,6. Where's the marks? There's 4 marks. It's using the formula for seeing that PB is 0,5, working out PA and then B only A. Number B, probability not A or not B. We use the formula P not A or not B is 1 minus P A intersection B, P A and B. It's 1 minus 0,3, the 0,3 that was given to us right at the beginning, and the answer 0,7. Where's the marks? Formula, answer. (12.2) A teacher has 5 different poetry books, 4 different dramas, and 3 different novels. She must arrange these 12 books from left to right on a shelf. Write down the probability that a novel will be the first book placed on the shelf. Therefore, how many novels were there? There were 3 novels, that's important, and the total was 12. Therefore, probability novels, 3/12, which is a quarter, worth 1 mark. Number 2, calculate the number of different ways these 12 books can be placed on the shelf if any book can be placed in any position. That can only be 12 factorial. And you can even work this out with your calculator, and this is worth 2 marks. (2.3) Calculate the probability that a poetry book is placed in the first position, the 3 novels are placed next to each other, and a drama is placed in the last position. So I have a little diagram for you here. Remember, there were 12 books. So in the first position, there's a 5 for the 5 poetry books. And in the last position, there's a 4 for the drama books. Times the 3 factorial, because the novels have to be placed together. So that's why it gets a factorial. Now, if you think about it, where does this 8 come from? This is the arrangement of the rest of the books, including the novels, because we had 12 books in total, minus the poetry is 11, minus the drama is 10, minus this arrangement is 9, but then what is left is 9, but in fact the novels are included there already. So we must subtract it. So therefore it's 8 factorial. And then when you work it out, you get 1/99. So where's the marks? The marks are for the 3 factorial of the novels together, the 8 factorial, and then the 5 times the 4, which you placed in first and last position, and then final answer.
Thank you for watching my videos. Remember, I have compiled the whole syllabus for you on my channel, and I am also adding paper 2 of the 2021 exam.